Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on Lenovo Smart Tab Yoga. So on this device we don't have a Google Lens, so I'm going to show you the other way to do it. In the first step, open the web browser, then go to the google.com and tap on the camera icon. Now choose the Chrome and choose always, or just once, like you wish. Now choose the Allow Access button and tap on the OK. Then just choose the photo that you want to search in Google by tapping on it. As you can see, whole process starting automatically, and we are looking for similar or the same objects in the Google Picture database. You can also change the searching area by swiping the edges of the square to look for something more specific. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.